Banggai ke basngu tenan bah East Jandil District lapelong ya ke tournament football base intervention program kebadai ke program bekerpang nak kebentai itu ki bangap how drunk kabadan ka phang pedeng goal beyond addiction ya gani ke tournament la play na do ka khnai tere gu brai nai tung mat pen kut ni panha pada no mentak sngi ka nyu tere gu nai la ha gani ke lympung ialehkai kila dan bon ki samla pat ki rangba kila wan mani shimbynta pat ki day ki blangop haka jingkerni di drok ya kate ka tournament bekerpang ka bashiti ulinter la pen kut no Madan Futsal ha clear east ya gani ka program la khat pelong dak office jong ka district social welfare officer East Jandil District haringkat ka jingatrai lang bat ka office deputy commissioner ka East Jandil District katanat opioid substitution therapy OST center clearian batla baiting ka ya gani ka program bekerpang da ka district mineral foundation DMF ka jingthamu jang gani ka program ka long ban wan ra lang ya gitu ki balangop how drunk shaka jing em ka bathamai ban pen pha ya ki shaka jing em tibriu tiblay ka MDC jong ka ramba clearian MDC ka kong violet lingdo kala long kum ka kong san hangani ka sni but usab divisional officer SDO Sadat East Jandil District Manish Kumar IS kum sumbot kong san medical and health officer in charge OST center East Jandil District Dr. J Nong Turu ulakran halor ka jingtau drok se ka bor jingma jing perkhan ka bor ka ma ka bor ban shim yak rai ulo ongru badan ki benta ka japieng bala shakta ho drok kabla kelalong kum ke jingpang hapo jongki na kata kadau don kaman shim ki la jing sumar namar kita ki benta ha ka japing ki ba shakta ki de ki benta ki ba kongsan bha ki bam ju ple balada penan kam drop pan kita ki benta kin ple kum ba ple ya ka pandora box ha ka ba omla shu pan khang ki benta ki ba kata hapo ka japing ki de na ka benta ka ba shakmat bat ka benta ba pedeng e jong ka japi balada sedang kendia kap ching penan kam drok kat ba nang ya ki por kamet ka dang dawa kumta kun tujur ba day ban ong em yo drok
drug free. I pledge that I will do everything possible to the best of my ability to make my country drug free.
Now I don't know what is right, what is wrong. Whether it is legal or illegal, I will do it. That is why most of the addicts, they don't care. They will commit crime. They will steal. They will fight. They will do anything. They will harm themselves. They will harm others. Because that part of the brain is damaged. Tahu no? Namah ile daman ko kam ka kujut ako jabe. Bon. Kata to ka judgment. Lani ka decision making. Ite bantayo ka jabe ile crucial margin for your decision making. If you cannot make decision in life, lada you decide tajibun iri man berusaha ton-tona kena sedin. Ha? Yo ye ki bru chania yang kamu mani ki berusaha. We need to decide in life, no?
Because this is not just a government program, every society in this country is affected by the menace of this drug abuse, and this is not a very simple menace or a nuisance, because this is something that is affecting the entire family. It leads to a family to be broken, lost aspiration of the person, as well as the degradation of the entire society. So better we start early to tackle this menace. This will be better for the country. And
kanito kasen ko nang kong organize kam kani ka program na bintayang pi. Kamayo pi social media isang tiyang dawan ko hakmat ha. Hejing ito wakinong di drugs. But ko kublay kerpang ya ka social welfare ko organize kam kani ka program wo emensen ya pi. Kenang wa yo ya pi sa kategaluti ko pa. Mohau kinchini ya ki bro ki wan nabar ki open si ya kani ka chinong ko yung ham eli ya pi ki kena skur la wan ki bro wo ong ki pi gini em kamu di pi ya pi usuk ya pi san han rei kan mo ong pi wa thik na mandade haden wada yusi manamani ki wa adik ong pi man ki kam ki tu ki bro ki em hai tai kam ong tu hapo Philadelphia itu tipi ki gia kiteng nong ki awong yang parang mo ki sambi mo gitu ki mium na RIP ngam dapat yang social media yang kinong ting penami kemara we RIP henry kat tele perkara ya kini ki kon yang am sakani ka thaing yang ile samjur dur chu bujut mensen ni bah udrok sakam ong gine kam ong gini ki bah ne to manu o wina o kenjabi was pensepriang to do yo will bro henry o pensepriang keleng Matlang ba gini, kijing di drugs, kijing le begitu gini, mi nami wa ka izang tiale ami hakmat na kamanta kakjut HIV. Taha kani kapor kuwa aman yapi.